Good morning. Today is Friday, and our tidbit topic for today is commitment. You can sort of look at the word commitment in a couple of different ways. Commitment could mean just like a simple agreement to do something, or it can mean that you are committing to be part of something bigger. Vince Lombardi once said that individual commitment to a group effort is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. Commitment is more than just involvement. It's about fully investing yourself in something. Martina Navratilova said this really cute thing about commitment and involvement. She said the difference between involvement and commitment, it's like ham and eggs. The chicken is involved. The pig is committed. Think about that for a minute. The chicken is involved, but the pig is committed. That's a great way to look at it. Are you involved or are you committed? Are you fully invested in the outcome that you want to achieve? Now, commitment as something that you promise to do for someone or someplace that you promise to be is equally important. You must invest yourself in the outcome of that as well. Oftentimes people break commitments without a second thought. If you are really committed, you are invested in the outcome of whatever it is that you committed to. I urge you to not take your commitments lightly. Be fully involved and passionate about the outcome of whatever it is that you commit to. Have a wonderful Friday and a fabulous weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday.